A little aside from the main road, becalmed in a last century greyness, there is the chapel, ugly, without the appeal to the tourist to stop his car and visit it. The traffic goes by, and the river goes by, and quick shadows of clouds too, and the chapel settles a little deeper into the grass. But here once, on an evening like this, in the darkness that was about his hearers, a preacher caught fire and burned steadily before them with a strange light, so that they saw the splendour of the barren mountains about them, and sang their amens fiercely, narrow but saved in a way that men are not now.